How to stay in shape when you're busy. 10 minutes full body workout. Welcome to you, wholesome people! Today it's all about staying in shape no matter how busy you get. The more consistently you work out, the more pronounced and long-lasting the benefits. But if you suddenly stop, the benefits start reversing immediately. That's why it's important to get some full body movement each day. You can use this 10 minutes plan so you can avoid the all-or-nothing downward spiral of feeling off track with exercise. It will keep your stress in check and help you maintain your muscle mass along with your joints' health. It will also keep your metabolism humming and stave off fat gain. This plan uses compound exercises, big muscles, big range of motion, so you can get more out of each rep. It's also adaptable. You can shuffle exercises around or skip few of them, come up with different ways to add resistance, or modify the total number of reps and rounds according to how much time you have and your preferences. But here are a few guidelines for reference. Move through each exercise in sets. Do 5 reps of each exercise. Don't rest between exercises. Rest 1 to 2 minutes at the end of the set. Repeat for a total of 2 to 4 sets. Exercise 1. Bear crawl. Exercise 2. Reverse lunge. Exercise 3. Push-up. Exercise 4. Squat. Exercise 5. Single-arm dumbbell row. You can perform this exercise without weights, just add more reps. Exercise 6. Banded hip extension. For this one, you'll need a resistance band. If you don't have one, you can perform the exercise without it. Just hold something moderately heavy in your arms. Don't think of your workout as a chore or punishment. You can maintain your fitness until you're back in the game, even if you have no access to equipment or a gym. Tell us what you think about this maintenance workout plan. Will you give it a try for those times when you just can't manage your normal exercise routine? Let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you have any topic suggestions for future videos, comment with the hashtag #AskWholesomeFacts. Thumbs up if you found this useful, subscribe and hit the bell icon to discover new content weekly, and share to spread the word. Meanwhile, be awesome, stay wholesome. See you next time!